Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about unboxing Boya by M1 mic, and I recently bought this mic from Amazon for 871 rupees. Here you can see it has written that is its purpose, and then box looking like this, you know. At the back side, you can be able to see features and specifications. I'm going to open this box right now. I have found a pouch here. And I have found a manual, like how we can use the mic and all. They have given how you can use your mic. And a warranty card. So yes, now we are going to see what is inside in this pouch. So at first, a very long cable, as you can see in the video. And a mic. You can see a condenser here, and there is two options like camera or off smartphone. You can use as you want. You can see the silica gel pack and few accessories that they have packed here. Yeah, it's a windscreen, foam windscreen, and a mic, an adapter, a battery. Yeah, it's a clip. If you want to buy, then I'll give the link below in description. So in this box, I have got a manual, a warranty card, battery, foam windscreen, clip and cable, and an adapter.